The Assam government on Friday had appointed ministers who would act as guardian minister for different districts across the state. This appointment were made by Governor of Assam in an official notification issued on 2nd September. The guardians, each a minister of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma's cabinet, have been given responsibility of 2-3 districts to take stock of welfare schemes, implementation of infrastructure projects, etc. They will be responsible for the administration in the districts under their charge, but they won't be involved directly with the people that particular districts. Governor of Assam appointed the following cabinet of ministers as the guardian minister for the following districts. Here is the name of the cabinet minister along with their respective districts. Atul Bora was appointed as the guardian minister for Kamrup Metro and North Lakhimpur districts. Ranjit Kumar Das as the guardian minister for Bongaigaon, Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district. Piyush Hajarika as the guardian minister for Sonitpur, Biswanath and Karimganj districts. Keshav Mahanta as the guardian minister for Morigaon, Golaghat and South Salmara Mankachar districts. Parimal Suklabaidya as the guardian minister for Nagaon, Hojai and Jorhat districts. Ajanta Neok as the guardian minister for Jorhat and Nalbari district. Ranush Pegu as the guardian minister for Sivasagar, Majuli and Barpeta district. Ashok Singhal as the guardian minister for Kokrajhar, Golpara and Kachar district. Jayanta Malabarwa as the guardian minister for Kachar, Dhubri and Hailakandi district. Chandra Mohan Patwari as the guardian minister for Kamrup and Darang district. Jogan Mohan as the guardian minister for Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao district. Nandita Gorlasa as the guardian minister for Baksa and Bajali district. Urkha Gwara Brahma as the guardian minister for Chirang and Tamulpur district, and Sanjay Kisan as the guardian minister for Dhemaji district. Karbi Anglong district has 4 elected MLAs, yet no one could make their name into the list of guardian ministers appointed by the government of Assam, ordered by the governor of Assam on Friday. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.